Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can play some free games in your Xbox. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to subscribe to any service like a Game Pass or anything. It's completely free. All you have to do, just go to your Microsoft Store. Once you are in your Microsoft Store, from left hand side just select games and you will have the option next to it. There is a top free option, just select that. Once you select, here you go, like you will have all the free games option. These are all the top free options. Just select one. I'm going to select Fortnite and hit OK. Then all you have to just install and you can view the queue. There you go. All you have to just wait until it's download. The total size is 30 GB, so it's going to take some time. So download your favorite game and play. Enjoy. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.